What you can see right here is the Emma budgeting app. So Emma links all your bank accounts, credit cards, and subscription in one place, giving you a full view of all your finances. This is their home screen right here. You have the transaction right here, which is Netflix, Spotify, your YouTube Premium, and more, of course. It is automatically categorized transactions, spot, wasteful spending, and even flags forgotten subscription, which is totally amazing. So the pro for this is that it has a clean interface, which you can see right here as a pretty clean interface, and multi-account tracking and subscription insight and customizable budget. The cons for this is that it has some features that is locked behind a paywall and syncing can occasionally lag, which is pretty common for those who had an application that has more that includes more connection within third party apps. So for wrapping up, this app is great for budgeting beginners and pros alike. Want control of your money with less hassle? Then this app right here, Emma, is worth a try.